Hello students, let's start the study of social science, standard 7. Lesson number 2, motions of the earth. In the previous video, we have solved two exercises, choose the correct option and fill in the blanks. And today we are going to solve the third exercise, and that is true or false. Question 3. State whether the following statements are true or false. First statement, the earth rotates on its axis. The earth rotates on its axis. It is true. As we know that the earth rotates on its own axis and the earth revolves around the sun. Okay, so this sentence is true. Second number, the orbit of the earth is circular. It is false. The orbit of the earth is oval shaped. Third, the distance between the earth and the sun remains the same through the year. No. It is false. The distance between the earth and the sun does not remain the same through the year. Fourth, the moon revolves around the earth. The moon revolves around the earth. It is true. The earth revolves around the sun and the moon revolves around the earth. So it is true. Fifth number, days and nights occur due to the tilted axis of the earth. It is false. Day and nights occur due to the rotation of the earth on its axis. So here is the sentence, days and nights occur due to the tilted axis of the earth, so it is false. Sixth number, days and nights are longer and shorter due to the tilted axis of the earth. It is right. Straight sun rays fall to the north and south of equator. It is true. जो इक्वेटर है उसकी नॉर्थ और साउथ में जो सन रेज है वो स्ट्रेट एकदम होते हैं, तो इट इज़ ट्रू. Regions getting more sunshine experience winter and those getting less sunshine experience summer. It is false. Because regions getting more sunshine, जिस प्रदेशों में ज़्यादा सनशाइन ज़्यादा सूर्य प्रकाश मिलता हो वहाँ पे समर का अनुभव होता है, राइट. गर्मियों का अनुभव होता है. जहाँ पे ज़्यादा सनशाइन होती है वहाँ पे गर्मियों का अनुभव होता है. पर यहाँ पे क्या दिया गया है, experiences winter and those getting less sunshine experiences summer. यहाँ पे opposite दिया गया है, so it is false. Between 21st March to 21st September, the southern hemisphere experiences winter. It is true. The fourth question is match the pairs. Here section A and section B are given. There are two sections given. We have to match A with B. First is rotation, and in section B there are options of New Zealand, 21st March, Norway, day and night, sun and seasons. Because of rotation, day and night occurs, so the first answer is fourth, day and night. Second is revolution. Because of revolution, seasons occur, so the second answer is seasons. Revolution, seasons. The earth revolves around the sun. The earth revolves around the sun, so the third answer is fifth, sun. Equal day and night. Equal day and night equal कब होता है, on 21st March. फिफ्थ नंबर, मिडनाइट सन. रात मिडनाइट सन, तो रात को 12 बजे भी सन दिखता हो, ऐसी कौन सी जगह है, तो नॉर्वे. सो द फिफ्थ आंसर इज नॉर्वे. Now there is exercise in your textbook on page number 12. And the first question is, name the two main motions of the earth. Name the two main motions of the earth. Which are the two main motions of the earth? There are two main motions of the earth are rotation and revolution. Rotation means when the earth move on its own axis, it is called rotation, and when the earth revolve around the sun, it is called revolution. Which are the two main motions? Rotation and revolution. Rotation means when the earth moves on its own axis, it is called rotation, and when the earth revolves around the sun is called revolution. Now the second question is, just now we will orally discuss about these questions. Okay. Now second, what will happen if the earth does not revolve around the sun? अगर अर्थ सन के आसपास रिवॉल्व नहीं करता है तो क्या हो सकता है, क्या होगा? If the earth does not revolve, if the earth does not rotate on its axis, जैसे कि हम जानते हैं कि जो अर्थ रोटेट करता है अपनी ही एक्सिस पे, जिसकी वजह से डे एंड नाइट होते हैं, और जो अर्थ सूर्य के आसपास रिवॉल्व करता है उसकी वजह से सीजन्स में चेंजेस आते हैं, राइट? सो इफ द अर्थ डज नॉट रोटेट ऑन इट्स एक्सिस, द डेज एंड नाइट्स वुड नॉट हैपन एंड देयर वुड बी अ परमानेंट डे ओवर द रीजन्स फेसिंग द सन. जिस तरफ सूर्य की किरण पृथ्वी के जिस भाग पर सूर्य की किरण पड़ते हैं वहाँ पे दिन होता, और जिस भाग पे नहीं सूर्य की किरण पड़ते वहाँ पे रात होती, राइट? तो इफ़ the earth does not rotate on its axis, the day and night would not happen, and there would be permanent day over the regions facing the sun, and the region not facing the sun would have a permanent night. So if the earth does not revolve around the sun, there would be no change in the seasons. So what will happen if the earth does not revolve around the sun? If the earth does not revolve around the sun, there would be no change in the seasons. The third question is, there is a test match between India and West Indies in the West Indies, right? Now when will you watch the match, during the day or at night? So we shall watch this match at night. Now fourth question is, what is the length and direction of your shadow in the morning, afternoon and evening? You just check out by yourself the length of direction of your shadow in the morning, afternoon and evening. Here we will solve, but you just check your shadows, okay, in the morning, afternoon and evening. Now here morning 8 AM डायरेक्शन, इन मॉर्निंग में 8 o'clock के आसपास सुबह में कौन सी डायरेक्शन में शेडो दिखता है? तो वेस्ट डायरेक्शन. शेडो लॉन्ग होता है और शॉर्ट. मॉर्निंग टाइम में द शेडो इज लॉन्ग. एट 12 noon डायरेक्शन इज बिलो द लेग. लॉन्ग और शॉर्ट? शॉर्ट. नून टाइम में हमारा जो शेडो है एकदम से शॉर्ट होता है और हमारे पैर के पास. इवनिंग 5 PM डायरेक्शन इज ईस्ट एंड द शेडो इज़ लॉन्ग और शॉर्ट. शेडो इज़ लॉन्ग मीन्स मॉर्निंग और इवनिंग टाइम में हमारा जो शेडो है वो लॉन्ग होता है. मॉर्निंग टाइम में वेस्ट डायरेक्शन में होता है, इवनिंग में ईस्ट डायरेक्शन में, और आफ्टरनून में बिलो द लेग, एंड आफ्टरनून में शॉर्ट शेडो होता है. इसके बावजूद भी आप अपने आप चेक करना कि आपका शेडो कौन से समय में कैसा दिखता है, ओके? I'm going to end this session here. We will continue in the next session. Thank you.